to sincerely thank the following sponsors for their generous support in the celebration of the Purok Pops Fiesta 2026. Your kindness and cooperation greatly contributed to the success of these events. Honorable Mayor Benji Miranda, Honorable J-Star Bandojo, Honorable Pastor John Antolo, Honorable Giovanni J. Ibanez, Honorable Alicel G. Gariel, Honorable Charlie John M. Amasio, Honorable Jemon A. Montoya, Honorable Gloria V. Ateliero, and of course, Mr. Noel Pamulange. And to all the parents of our muses and escorts, so thank you so much for your unending support.